Coming together at an event where we can join with ASUS is a really meaningful exercise for us. What we get the chance to do is not only show our product, but show the whole ecosystem for creators, whether they're photographers, filmmakers, or content creators. But of course, with partnering with ASUS, that includes monitors and a way to be able to color grade and get a final image, whether that's in photography or filmmaking. Connecting with creators is one of Sony's core mission statements, and giving creators an opportunity to experience our product firsthand is really core to our business and our business direction.
The most important thing that I learned was learning how to ensure that your workspace then will match what people sort of get when they deliver the content. And in the world of social media and content creation, you want to have the best experience for your audience.
So what's been exciting today was showcasing the entire range of the ASUS ProArt solution. People have been able to see it up front in person, having some workshops, and also multiple different type of activities we're running. These are definitely driving the excitement here.
From today, a key thing for us, we have two of our ambassadors here, Robin Moon and Mark Gaylor, to talk about the Alpha 7R Mark VI. And for us, it's really to demonstrate how this camera and our new lens will work for bird photographers, landscape photographers, portrait photographers, can help photographers and creators express themselves through their creativity.
Coming to these sort of workshops, first of all, you have to meet all the people there, so in the same space that you want to be in usually. So you're going to learn things that you might not be able to get just by finding it yourself.
Also share an interest and a passion in creating beautiful images. So anyone, if you've been considering joining or looking for a community to be a part of, Sony Scene is exactly that for you.